want you to look coming here, guys, at this rig. That is a monster. There comes Big John and the Patriot. What's up, man? Can I get a ride, dude?
I think so.
What's up? You think Jacob will let me in?
Yeah, hopefully it's keep our fingers crossed. It doesn't look
Yeah, I hope so. God, that is a sexy boat, man.
Yeah, it'll be neat. I guess I'll just turn around and unhook the stuff, or we can throw it in here.
Yeah, just pull up a little bit and we'll just throw it on in there. Let's get some scratches on this thing, man.
Yeah.
Oh, them look good on there, man. They really do. Yeah, and so solid.
I got the backing plate I got to put under it.
Yeah.
I had to have them make me one because I didn't think, but I got the wider base plate.
Dude,
but it's still solid.
That is solid, man.
Make sure I don't forget the plug.
Yeah, I kind of had a moment of doubt the other day about whether I did that or not.
I did when I first did this out.
I bet you did. Let me lock everything up and I'll get in there. You want me to put you in the water or pull the boat off? Okay. Yeah, I forget, man. I don't have to climb over the side in this rig. Check it out. What's up, Jacob? How you, brother?
I'm good.
You doing all right, my friend?
Yeah.
You like your dad's new boat?
Yeah.
It's your boat, ain't it? Just tell him it's yours. But you'll let him take you out in it, won't you? Oh my God, we got so much room in here. I don't know what to do with all this, John.
What is it?
All this room?
Room?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
It's like a dance floor in here, bro.
I know. I'm pretty excited.
I like it.
But,
Dude, this is awesome.
yeah, so I put it on the floor.
Oh, this thing's awesome, man. All the real estate. All the real estate, bro.
Oh yeah, and I hadn't got organized, but man, we've got crap everywhere in here.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
This is my dream boat right here, man. Get the plug in.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all ready? You ready, John? I brought 3 bumping rods. Only thing I didn't bring is lead. I hope you got some 3 or 4s. Oh God.
I'll get our lunch.
I threw a rod sock out of the boat. All this real estate and I threw a rod sock. I got it back though.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Yeah, I like him. I've always liked fish bite rod holders, and that Alan is a good dude too, man.
Oh yeah.
Alan Long.
Yeah.
I've met him a couple times. We're gonna catch some fish. That's a fact, Jack.
What I'm gonna do, Jake.
Oh, that's where they live at, man. Is this the first fish in a new boat, John?
First
Nice. I can probably get out here on the day. Yeah, you can climb back here and land it. Thank you. He's probably 20. There we go. There we go. Heck yeah.
Broke it in.
Skunk is off the boat. It's not that bad to climb over that thing. It really ain't.
No.
There we go, guys. We got some slime on the boat. On these pretty diamond plate floors.
What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, I like it.
We haven't seen one of these in a while, have we? You want to hold it? No. You sure? Ah.
Let's go get another one. He got our bait. He got my bait too.
Well, buddy, you christened the boat, I guess.
Yeah, we christened the boat. Uh-oh, what'd I do? Go ahead, man. You need my help, let me know. This thing's a catfish pig, man. that motor just looks ridiculous. It's so big. It's crazy. It's like it's a wall of motor. A great wall of Honda.
What's up?
That's awesome. Oh yeah, you can sit there and bump.
Yeah,
Lazy bumping right here.
I'm gonna put that foam on this too.
Yeah.
They did the little scan of it.
Oh, they did like a... Come on, guys. That was awesome, man.
Hold on, don't get him in.
There you go. Pull the talons up. We need to move this out of the way. I'll let y'all deal with it. Might be bigger than you thought he was, ain't he?
I don't know, he's probably like that.
You got some bogus.
Yeah.
Yeah, he definitely. Whoa. He ain't done yet. He ain't done all that well. Heck yeah, that's a nice fish, man. Heck yeah. That's a beaut.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Bob threw that in the right place first.
Put her out there. I don't know how to operate these fence.
I don't
It's got a scale on it, don't it?
Yeah. If it's correct, 22 pounds.
Yep, 22 pounds. That's pretty cool. That's a beautiful fish. There you go, guys.
That's a fun size.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we was talking about something. The rod just went down. Found us a pig under a board, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Go, guys. A little barge action in John's new boat. This is my dream boat. 25-foot Patriot. This boat costs more than my house, John.
Oh, Lord.
But I ain't like, well, now it's worth more than that, but when we bought it 20-something years ago.
There we go. Trying to help his little eyeball there.
Yeah, it'll pop back out there.
He'll grow. No.
That's a healthy fish. Now he's got some nice red gills on it. Good work, Jacob. Give some nuts, buddy. There we go. Start.
Where's the outlet? He got some teeth.
I know you got another pair of grippers in here somewhere. I've seen them.
You want to hold it? You got it? You got it, muscles?
There you go, buddy. Good looking fish.
Yeah, that is. All right.
We're gonna let him swim away to fight another day, guys. So is that fish number 3 today? 2? Okay, well I had one that
Yeah, I missed it.
we missed it. I just threw this one out there. Yeah, he's there.
That's the one I just threw back.
Yeah, it's just now. That same rod that we caught the other one on, ain't it? Yeah. Get him out of this line. He ain't no monster, but hey, it's a fish number 3 today. I ain't putting up a little fight now, guys. I'll take my time with him, savor him a little bit, you know what I mean? There he goes, guys. Oh, he got a little bigger. He feels like a feisty fun sizer. Look there. Oh, he's got everything, John.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
He's got everything.
Oh, that's one.
Yeah. He's all in everything. He's a little big. We'll probably have to boga him.
Okay.
Easy now. Yeah, he got everything. We don't got a net on the boat today on the shakedown run. But that's all right. We all got to reel in a fish today. That's a good day. Yeah, he's got my bumping rod. He's got everything. This guy was greedy. This fella was greedy. All right, guys, fish number 3. I'm gonna swim away to find another day, guys. We got a storm coming in. What do you think, about an hour?
Yeah, an hour.
I don't know how much longer we're gonna be out here, but we've got 2 fish off this barge, man.
Well, this one, I think they just didn't give me a long enough one, but yeah, you can undo this. It just controls the water level. If you got one a little taller, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it'd be nice because I know that the fish right has a pretty cool. I think they got like a big plug in the bottom, and you can just flush everything out real quick.
Yeah. Wood sprayer in there. So she's about there, ain't she? No, not yet.
But I don't know.
We'll throw one short. Baits deployed. Sit and wait. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Bobcat Outdoors. We had an awesome day. I spent it out here on John's brand new boat with Mr. Jacob and Mr. John Sharp. And we've had an awesome day, man. Fish hadn't been tearing nothing up, but we've been hanging out. There's a little storm coming over the mountain right there behind us, so we're going to zoom back to the boat ramp and put this thing on a trailer. And there's thunder. Head to the house. But again, guys, thanks for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. Say bye, Jacob.
Bye.
See ya. All right, guys, we're out. Got a V8, will never be late. Got chrome and get you home.
Yeah.
I put my glasses in here. I was like, well, they're gonna blow off if I don't.
What's that noise?
There's a plant over there. They're exhausting. Yeah. I don't know what they do over there, but sometimes you hear that. Either on up. Wait, back up just a little bit, John. Okay, give her a beam. Get about that far to go, come on. One more time. Give her a little gas. That motor is so ridiculously huge. Woo-wee! The Tower of Power.